Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melinda and I post about literally anything and everything. And yeah, today is gonna be an interesting day. I haven't posted in a while, I'm sorry for that. I've just been on a really long break and it wasn't supposed to be this long, I swear. I want to show you guys something that I got that I'm really happy about. I got a gorilla pod and I'm so sad about it. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit today. It is these are actually gem shorts, but they look like cycling shorts, right? And I got an oversized top that's kind of cute, and I just decided to cinch my waist in with this belt. Yeah, let's just straighten that out a little bit. We looking fun, we're looking fresh, we're looking summery, but also classy. Right now, I'm not sure if I've updated you guys, but I am living in a new apartment, and now I have a huge bed, which is ideal for, you know, the occasional late night shenanigans. And before you guys say anything, yes, I have a boy now. Are we surprised? I am too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring him onto the vlog anytime soon. It really depends on him and how comfortable he is with it. But yeah, I have a boy, quick update, and yeah, we good. And yeah, I just brought these stuff from my apartment. I kind of want to switch up the decor a bit, but I don't really know how. So we're just gonna have to figure that out. And I have my laundry here that I didn't show you guys because I'm gonna come back and fold these. I have to get some stuff done in the city. I have to get my ID photo taken, then I have to get my visa done. It's a lot, and possibly I want to make a stop with Lush, but first, coffee. So I totally forgot what I was filming today, but since I remember, I'll show you guys where I am right now. So I am in a campus cafe. It's called Shaky Isles, and how cute is this place? I'm not gonna film people, but okay, so now I am at the center where they'll help me like sort out my documents and make my visa. This is the place that you go to at uni if you want any help with anything, like any applications or whatnot. This is the place that you go to. And we're gonna look at that beautiful thing right there, and we're done. Okay guys, so I am home right now and I'm basically stripped down because I am so freaking hot. Today is so freaking hot, it's not even kidding. Like, I'm not even kidding people. Like, your girl had to just walk around in her gym bra. Oh, this is not the most flattering look for me right now, but we're gonna deal with it. This is an awkward intermission, but I just wanted to quickly explain the nice clip because I have my shirt on again after recently complaining how hot the apartment is. Everyone was moving out that day and I just thought that I was living my best life in my gym bra lounging, and I wasn't prepared to have male energy in my life that day. And the male energy came into my life that day. So yeah, my flatmate brought her boyfriend in. I was in a bra, I felt uncomfortable, so I put on a shirt. So yeah, bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and bye. Okay guys, so today's vlog is basically you guys watching me clean my apartment and trying to get my life together. Now my apartment is a literal war zone. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm just trying to get ready for my new flatmates to move in, and I'm trying to make it as clean and beautiful as possible. So yeah, that's that. And also are we noticing this eye? I don't know how to say that, but I don't know if I should see a doctor. I don't really know, or maybe I'll go away. But yeah, this is gonna be my friend Michaela's, my new flatmate's Michaela's new room. So cute. Of course, she's not feeling the pink. Totally understand. Okay guys, so I think in my last clip I sort of like left you guys hanging, but that was because my landlord was walking in. I keep getting interrupted, I swear. Yeah, my landlord came in and I needed to sort some things out, and now that we've had our stuff sorted, I am again decluttering. I'm trying to find a system here. I'm trying to find a system to make my kitchen organized before people move in. I decided to go onto the lazy route tonight for dinner and just order in. Expensive, I know, but sometimes you just need to. Oh my god, my eye. And yeah, I just ordered like a beef veggie stir fry. It's onions and a bunch of other good stuff for you. And yeah, I just decided to go for something simple. I don't know why I keep like being so up close, and I'm heating up in there, possibly another minute. Yeah, and yeah, I'm really excited to do like an official apartment tour. That'll be cute. And should I just show you guys the view? Yeah, I think I'll do that. That I can show. That I can't do anything about, but also I wouldn't do anything about because it is cute. And that's the sky tower, blocked by a crane. We're still waiting on my rice. Also, have you drunk your water today? Because honey, this year we are trying to stay hydrated so we can have good skin. And yeah. Okay guys, should we do a taste test? So I got this from Uber Eats, and because I live in the city, it takes about like probably 10 to 15 minutes for me to like get my order. I got some chopsticks because I'm representing my Asian sisters out there. Taste test. So good. Okay, I'm done now, but I'm gonna eat and then I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I have just finished washing up after literally washing everything up. I cleaned out the entire contents of my fridge. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, I've decided to take that shelf, the lower shelf, and I decided to designate that for like a fruit area where everyone can share. And I just put my rice there for the time being, but when people move in, I'm gonna move it away. And yeah, I just sort of like wipe the counters down, wipe the contents of all the drawers, and try to find some sort of system, but to be honest, there isn't much of a system in place just yet. I also had to throw out some toothbrushes people left here. There's just my toothbrush left and Lewis's toothbrush left, and we should be ready to welcome people tomorrow. So I'm gonna close this vlog for today, and I will see you guys. Bye.